Alright, I got my Traxxas Maxx. I'm going to do a few speed passes today. Running some new Sledgehammer tires on it. Looking pretty sharp. I, of course, got the version 1 Max, so it didn't come with these tires. Running some hot racing spacers. I don't have the Traxxas Y kit on it, but I am running some hot racing 10 millimeter spacers on it. Squirrel. Nothing coming. All right. All right, here we go. Crazy squirrel ran right in front of me. Whoop. I think I need to put a little TSM on. Cause I don't think I'm running any, and that got a little squirrely on me. Try turning on some, yeah, there's no TSM on right now. I put a little bit. Alright, let's try that. We're in a little bit of TSM now. Alright, let's bring her back. Oh, don't steer worth a... Forgot how bad it steers without the TSM on. Alright, that was full throttle. Full throttle. Oh shoot, get back under control. Yeah, I don't know if these tires are better than stock, to be honest with you. I don't know, we'll see what kind of speed I'm getting here. That got really hairy really quick. It's the TSM, I think, part of it. It doesn't want to get out of its own way. I don't like TSM at all. Full throttle. Yeah, gets squirrely for some reason. I don't know why. Well, let's see what we got at any rate. Oh, 51 miles an hour. That's alright, I guess. Well, Beyond the Blue RC, hoping you watched the video. Please like, subscribe, smash that notification bell. Keep on RCing out there.